my name's Eamon, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a timeline to your web page. The timeline paragraph type can be used to present a series of items over a period of time. To add a timeline, go to Content and select Edit on your desired page. Select the Add Paragraph button at the bottom left of the page. Then select the timeline paragraph type. You should now see the timeline appear alongside your other paragraphs. For your timeline, you can enter a date and a title for each timeline item. You can add more timeline items by selecting the Add Timeline Item button. To change the location of this timeline on your page, you can drag the paragraph type up or down. You can also drag to reorder your timeline items within the timeline. To view your changes before saving, you can use the Preview button at the top right. And always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of adding a timeline to a web page. I'll see you in the next video.